Okay. Today we will see how the mixed fraction will convert to improper fraction, how the improper fraction will convert to mixed fraction. After that we will see the addition and subtraction of the fractions. Now see here 5 7 by 8. 5 7 by 8 is a mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Whole with the proper fraction. Whole with the proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is small and the denominator is big. A fraction in which numerator is small and denominator is big. What is numerator? Upper number of the upper integer is called as numerator and the lower integer is called as denominator, and the line which is dividing the two integers is called as fraction bar. It is called as fraction bar. In some of the cases it will be used as slash. Okay. Now how to convert this one? Most of the students they are in confused. By doing this problem they will do 5 into 7 by 8. 5 7 is 35 by 8. But it is totally wrong. It is totally wrong. What we have to do to convert this one? Remember one thing first. 8 into 5 denominator into whole plus numerator by 8. 8 into 5 plus 7 by 8. 8 5s are, how much it will be? 8 5s are 40 plus 7 by 8. 40 plus 7, how much it will be? 47 by 8. Now tell me, 47 by 8, is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? It is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is big and the denominator is small. A fraction in which numerator is big and the denominator is small is called as improper fraction. Now this is the way of conversion of the mixed fraction to improper fraction. One more you will see. 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5. Now 5 into 3. 5 into 3 plus 2 by 5. 5 into 3 plus 2 by 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 by 5. That is 17 by 5. 17 by 5. You take it as A, B, C. Okay. C into A plus B by C. C into A plus B by C. You try this problem. One problem 3 4 by 7. You try this problem and give the answer in the comment box. Okay. Try this problem. This is a work for you. You try for this problem. Okay. Now how to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction? Improper fraction to mixed fraction. It is improper fraction because numerator is big and the denominator is small. Now go for the division always. 3 1s are, how much it will be? 3. What is remain? 2. So how you will write? First you should write this one, then this remainder in the question. 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. Is it a mixed fraction? Yes, of course it is a. One more problem we will see. Improper fraction converting to mixed fraction. Okay. Now we will take 5 by 6. Sorry. 6 by 5. 6 by 5. 5 6. 5 1s are 5. What is remain? 1. What it will be? 1 1 by 5. 1 1 by 5. This one you should write first. This one. Then it will be second and it will be third. First, second and third. If you take it as work for you to solve this problem. Okay. 7 by 5. This is work for you. After solving this one, please reply in the comment box. Okay. Now, hope everyone understood how to convert this one. Now we will see how to add the fractions and subtract the fractions. How to add and subtract the fractions. How to add and subtract the fractions. Now 5 by 2 plus 3 by 6 plus 4 by 3. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 6 plus 4 by 3. Now most of the students they don't know how to convert this one. Okay. Before going to this, we should know what is like and what is unlike fraction. What is like fraction? fractions in which denominators are same, like fraction. Unlike fraction, example for this one, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 7 by 5. Okay. Unlike fractions in which denominators are not same. Example, 3 by 5, 7 by 6, 8 by 2. See, fractions in which the denominators are same. It is called as like fraction. Example, here see, denominator is 5, denominator is 5, denominator is 5. It is like fraction. Okay? Fraction in which the denominators are same. What is unlike fraction? Fraction in which denominators are different. Denominators are not same. See, here it is 5, here it is 6, and here it is 2. It is unlike fraction. Now, tell me whether it is like fraction or unlike fraction. It is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Okay? So, how to convert the unlike fraction to like fraction? Before converting, after converting only it is possible to solve. Otherwise, it is not possible to solve. So, how can we convert this unlike fraction to like fraction? Remember one thing. Always take the LCMs. Always take the LCM. Okay? What are the LCMs? LCMs of the denominators. Okay? What is the LCM? What are the LCMs of the denominator? 2, 6, 3. 2, 6, 3. These are the denominators. See, 2 is denominator, 6 is denominator, and 3 is denominator. Okay? Take the LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 as it is. It is not possible to do with the 2 with the 3. So 3 will be remaining as it is. Next, 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. Now LCM of 2, 6, 3 is 2, 3, 6 is 3 is 2 into 3. 2 3s are how much it is? 6. LCM of 2, 6, 3 is how much? 6. Now 5 by 2 bracket open bracket close plus 3 by 6 bracket open bracket close plus 4 by 3 bracket open bracket close. Now which number should multiply to this denominator? Remember always which number should be multiplied to this denominator to make it 6? 2 3s are multiply divide with the 6. For the 6, which number should multiply this 6 to make it 6? 1s are 1. For this 3, which number should multiply to make it 6? 2 by 2. Why should we take 6 only? Why should make the denominator 6? Because the LCM is getting 6 to make it unlike to like fraction. Now 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 by 6 plus 4 2s are 8 by 6. Now 6 6 6 like fraction. Okay. Now it is like fraction. Now after getting like, all the denominators are same. Then take only one denominator, that is 6. Add it. 15 plus 3 plus 8. 15 plus 3 plus 8. How much it will be? 15 plus 3. How much it will be? 18. 18 plus 8. 18. 19. 20. 20. 26. 26 by 6. 26 by 6. If you want to go for the lowest form, you can go for the lowest form. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. The answer is 13 by 3. The answer is 13 by 3. Hope everyone understood. Okay. One more problem we will see so that your confusion should not. Okay. We have done with the addition. Now we will do with the subtraction. Same problem with the subtraction. Same problem with the subtraction. Now LCM. Why we should take the LCM? Because the denominators are different. So it is unlike fraction. First we will make this unlike fraction to like fraction. Take 2, 6, 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 as it is. Then 3 1s are 1 जा 1 जा. LCM of 2 comma 3, LCM of 2 comma 6 comma 3 is 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. Now 5 by 2 minus 3 by 6 minus 4 by 3. This bracket represents as multiplication. Okay. Now which number should multiply these two? Oh, see, only you have to remember for the denominator only. Which number should be multiplied to this denominator to make it 6? 3. For this 1 by 1. Here 2 by 2. Why I should take 2 only? Because 3 to the how much it will be? 6. If you are making what number you have taken same as it is, you have to take for the numerator and the denominator. 5 3 is 15 by 2 3 is 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 4 to the 8 by 6. Okay. Now 15 minus 3 minus 8 by 6. Only one denominator you take it. Okay. 15 minus 3, how much it will be? 15 minus 3, it will be 12 minus 8 by 6. 12 minus 8, how much it will be? 4. 4 by 6. Go for the lowest form. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. Answer is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Hope everyone understood. Okay. Now we will go with the mixed fractions. How to do the problem by using the mixed fraction. Okay. We will make it as mixed fraction. Okay. Now what we have to do? 2 3s are 2 into 3 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 6 minus 4 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 6 minus 4 by 3. 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11 by 2 minus 3 by 6 minus 4 by 3. Take the LCM of the denominator 2 comma 6 comma 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 as it is. 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. LCM of 2 comma 6 comma 3 is 2 into 3, that is 6. Now 11 by 2 into minus 3 by 6 minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now which number should multiply to make it 6? 3 by 3. Here 1 by 1. Here 2 by 2. Now 11 3s are 33. 2 3s are 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 8 by 6. Now 33 minus 3 minus 8 by 6. 33 minus 3, how much it will be? 30. Okay. 30 minus 8 by 6. 30 minus 8, how much it will be? 22. 22 by 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 11s. Answer is how much? 11 by 3. Answer is 11 by 3. Hope everyone understood. A question I am giving to you. You take the question as homework for you. Okay. And after getting the problem, please write in the comment box. Okay. This is the homework for you. Take it as homework. Solve the problem. Now, what is like, what is unlike, everyone have understood. How to add, how to subtract, everyone understood. Now, in the next video, we will see how to multiply and how to divide the fractions. How to